Snoring is abnormal and disturbing noise during sleep caused by breathing problems. It can sometimes be a sign of sleep apnea, a temporary cessation of breathing especially during sleep. According to the National Sleep Foundation, snoring is a common problem among all ages and genders. It affects approximately 90 million American adults, 37 million on a regular basis. The more we advance in age, the more the problem of snoring increases. After the age of 60, 60% of men and approximately 40% of women snore. Lifestyle and certain tricks can be helpful to stop snoring. In addition, some foods can also help to improve this situation. Honey is probably one of the most delicious ways to give up with the snoring. It can be incorporated in all the drinks you consume throughout the day. Honey has anti-inflammatory properties that can help clear the respiratory tract, and therefore reduce snoring and improve the quality of your sleep. The mint tea is also very effective in reducing congestion and phlegm that can cause snoring. Regular consumption of fish instead of red meat can be very beneficial for health. The saturated fat in red meat generates higher amounts of arachidonic acid, that causes swelling of the tissues in the throat and sinuses. Olive oil is one of the best oils you can consume. It has very little saturated fatty acids, but contains natural anti-inflammatory that can improve the quality of your sleep, and reduce snoring. Take 2 or 3 sips of olive oil every day before going to sleep. You can also add half a teaspoon of olive oil to 1 teaspoon of honey, and consume it daily before going to bed. Soy milk is recommended as an alternative to cow's milk, which promotes the creation of mucus in the nasal passages and therefore increase snoring. Some studies also recommend other foods such as garlic, onions and turmeric, which have anti-inflammatory characteristics that can help fighting snoring. Add 2 tablespoons of turmeric to a cup of warmed milk. Drink it half an hour before going to sleep. Repeat on a daily basis. If you can incorporate these foods to your daily diet, rest assured that you will improve your quality of life and that of your sleep. Also reduce your snoring will benefit the people around you and especially your spouse. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.